How to program the Viper 7347 volts remote. Step 1. Open door and locate module. If your vehicle has an alarm, or an alarm with remote start, make sure the driver's door stays open for the entire process. Once inside the vehicle, locate your control panel. On many models, this is built into the antenna module on the front windshield. Step 2. Insert key into ignition. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it 2 clicks to the on position. Do not start the engine. For push to start vehicles, press the start button twice, without your foot on brake. Step 3. Activate antenna. Next, go to the control panel and press the programming button 7 times. Then press and hold on the 8th time. You should see the blue LED flash. Continue holding on the 8th press for 5 seconds, then release. Step 4. Program the remote. After releasing the button, press the lock button on the remote you want to program. Now turn the ignition back to the off position. For push to start vehicles, press the start, stop button 1 time. Step 5. Test the remote. Finally, test the remote by pressing the lock button. Your doors should lock and unlock, confirming that programming was successful. That's all there is to it. Your remote should be fully programmed and ready to go. If you have any questions, just give us a call here at Sound of Tri-State. We're always happy to help.